Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here today. In this video, we are going to learn English with a special technique called shadowing. Now, you might be wondering, what is shadowing? Let me explain. Shadowing is when you listen to someone speaking in English and try to repeat what they say, exactly how they say it. It helps you improve your pronunciation, intonation, and even your listening skills. It's like being a shadow, following every move. Here's how you can use this video to practice. First, listen to me as I read a story. All the words will appear on the screen so you can follow along. Then, try repeating after me, copying my tone and rhythm. It's okay if you don't get it perfect the first time. Practice makes progress. Today's story is about Alex, a young man who moved to a new city for his studies. The story is about his first time ordering coffee in a very busy cafe. I chose this story because it's a situation many of us have experienced. It teaches us something important about communication and asking for help. The story is written in clear, easy English, so you can focus on understanding the words and practicing your speaking. Here's what we'll do. I'll read the story slowly and clearly, and you can follow the words on the screen. Later, you'll have a chance to repeat the sentences with me. This is a great way to practice your listening, speaking, and even reading skills, all at the same time. Are you ready to hear Alex's story? Let's begin. This is the story. I am standing inside a small coffee shop. It is my first week in London, and I feel both excited and a little nervous. The coffee shop is very busy. I can hear the sound of the coffee machine and people talking loudly. The smell of fresh coffee is wonderful. I need to order, but I am nervous. My English is okay, but speaking to new people is still difficult for me. I look at the menu on the wall. There are so many choices. I decide to order a simple latte. I practice the words in my head. Can I have one large latte, please? It sounds simple. I wait in a long line. Finally, it is my turn. I walk to the counter. The barista, a young woman with a friendly smile, looks at me. Uh, hello. What can I get for you? She asks. My heart beats a little faster. I say, can I have one large latte, please? Sure, she says. For here or to go? I freeze. I did not prepare for this question. I don't understand what she means. I get nervous and just say the first word that comes to my mind. Yes. The barista looks a little confused, but she smiles and says, okay, that will be £4, please. I pay with my card and she gives me a receipt. Thank you, I say, and I move away from the counter. I stand near the counter, waiting for my coffee. I watch the barista make drinks. She is very fast. After a few minutes, I see other people getting their coffee. They ordered after me, but they are getting their drinks first. I start to feel worried. Did she forget my order? I feel my face getting warm. I am too shy to ask. More time passes. Now I feel a little frustrated. I am sure she forgot about me. I decide I have to say something. Just as I am about to walk back to the counter, an older woman standing near me speaks to me kindly. "Excuse me," she says with a soft smile. "Are you waiting for a drink?" "Yes," I say. "A large latte." She points to a different counter at the other end of the coffee shop. "You order here," she says, pointing to where we are. "But you pick up your drink over there. They call your name when it's ready." I look at the other counter. I see a cup sitting all by itself. It's my latte. I feel so embarrassed. I was waiting in the wrong place the whole time. My face turns red. "Oh, thank you so much," I say to the woman. "It's my first time here." "Don't worry about it," she says with a laugh. "This place can be confusing. Enjoy your coffee." I walk to the other counter and pick up my latte. It is a little cold now, but I don't mind. I feel so much relief and gratitude. The woman's kindness made a big difference. This new city is already teaching me an important lesson. So, what can we learn from Alex's story? First, it's okay to feel nervous in new situations. Moving to a new place, or even just trying a new cafe, can be scary. It's a normal feeling. But here's the most important lesson. It is always okay to ask for help. Alex did not understand the barista's question, for here or to go. Instead of saying, "I'm sorry, I don't understand," he got nervous and said, "Yes." If he had asked for clarification, he would have avoided the confusion. Mistakes are okay. Alex made a mistake by waiting in the wrong place. But instead of getting upset, a kind stranger helped him. This teaches us that being kind to others, especially those who look confused, can make their day much better. And it also teaches us that people are usually happy to help. Learning English is just like this journey. Sometimes you will not understand a question. Sometimes you will use the wrong word, and that's okay. The important thing is to not be afraid to say, "Can you repeat that?" or "I don't understand." People will appreciate your effort to communicate. Now, I want you to think about this. What would you have done in Alex's situation? Let me know in the comments. Now let's look at some useful phrases and vocabulary from Alex's story. These are words and expressions you can use when you order food or in daily life. 1. Phrases for ordering. What can I get for you? This is a common and friendly way a server or barista asks for your order. Repeat after me. What can I get for you? Can I have, please? This is a polite way to ask for something. Repeat after me. Can I have a large latte, please? For here or to go? This question asks if you will eat, drink in the cafe, for here, or take it outside to go. Repeat after me. For here or to go. 2. Vocabulary for a cafe. Barista. This is the person who makes and serves coffee. Example. The barista made a beautiful design on my latte. Counter. The long, flat surface where you order and pay. Example. I paid for my coffee at the counter. Receipt. The piece of paper you get after you pay, showing what you bought and how much it cost. Example. The barista gave me my receipt. 3. Phrases for polite conversations. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Use this very important phrase when you need someone to explain something. Repeat after me. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Don't worry about it. A kind way to say that everything is okay and that a mistake is not a big problem. Example. I said sorry for being confused, and she replied, don't worry about it. Enjoy your. A positive way to wish someone well. You can say, enjoy your coffee, enjoy your meal, or enjoy your trip. Example. The kind woman said, enjoy your coffee. Practice time. Let's practice some of these phrases together. Repeat after me. Can I have a coffee, please? For here or to go? I'm sorry. I don't understand. Don't worry about it. Great job. Remember, these phrases are very useful. Try using them in your daily life. Don't be afraid to speak, even if you make mistakes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed Alex's story and learned something new. Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you want to practice your shadowing. Repeating the story will help you improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence in English. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Before we go, let me leave you with this. Learning English is not just about words and grammar. It's about connecting with people, just like Alex did. So keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the journey. See you in the next video.